Hi guys, welcome to King Tech. Today we are going to learn how to install Rust and how to create and run program in Rust. So let's get into it. First, go to official website to see what Rust is. Rust is a language to build reliable and efficient software. Rust is blazingly fast and memory efficient. Rust guarantees memory safety that makes it reliable. Rust has great documentation and a friendly compiler that makes it very productive. You can build command line application, WebAssembly packages, network services that run on servers, and applications for embedded systems. Firefox, Dropbox are some examples that based on Rust. Now let's get into the installation part. For that, go to Get Started. And based on your system, choose the installer. My system is 64-bit, so I go with 64-bit installer. I already downloaded the installer, so let's get into downloads folder. Then the Rust installer. I already installed Rust on my system, but when you install Rust, it takes some time to download required files. Then it provides some options, one for full installation and with cargo, Clippy and all the cool stuff. If you want, you can customize it by choosing the second option or cancel it if you mistakenly open the installer. Let's move ahead with the first option. After some time, you get this message as Rust is installed now. Press enter key to continue. Now let's build the program in Rust. For that, open cmd and cargo. Cargo is Rust package manager. New hello world. Let's get into that folder, cd hello world. Then open the folder in code editor. I'm using VSCode for that. Then let's go. It has a gitignore file and a cargo toml file. This is the manifest file. All the dependencies are written here, like Faris, Sage, or a lot of Firebase and all. This is the main file for Rust where you can write your code. Now let's run the program. For that, open terminal and run cargo run. You can directly run cargo run if your program not has packages. Let's see, hooray, we got hello world in it. If your program have some dependencies, then you need to first run cargo build, then cargo run. Cargo build is used downloading the dependencies your program have. That's it guys, you got your first program in Rust. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.